Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox this my new pen tablet that I have just bought from Amazon and it's arrived here. So let's start. And I just unwrap this here and I will show you that how much things I have got in this tablet. So let's start. As you can see that I have just unwrapped this plastic wrap and let's open up. Okay, it's a little bit tight. Okay. It is done here. So, as you can see that this model name is XP Pen Deco 01 V2. And now let's unbox it. The packing is too amazing here. Amazing. So let's open this. And ta-da! This is open here. So let's see how much thing we have got here. So first we got a pen tablet. Our brand new pen tablet is here. Amazing pen tablet. I will see it later. So we will see it later. Let's see some more accessories. Cover. This is the cover of our pen tablet that used to cover our pen tablet from the dust and etc. and many things more. Okay. The amazing pen with a smooth nib, and this is small also. Looking more comfortable. And in this package we got, wow, that's so amazing. Let's open this. A manual of instruction and the guidance, warranty policy, and some guided how to use this pen, okay, with many different languages. Okay, inside this we got a glove to draw our tablet. Let's try this. Okay. Wow. Feeling more comfortable. Let's try it. That's totally amazing feeling. Okay. First time that I have bought this tablet. Okay. So let's put it back. Now let's see some more accessories. We got a cable, a USB cable, C-type, and 8 pen nibs which is used to draw, and we can store our pen nibs inside this box. This is a pen holder. The pen holder is used to stand our pen. Okay, let's open up this and look at this. Looking totally amazing. Okay, we can store our pen, we can stand our pen here. This is our pen holder. You can see that. Okay, and this 8 nibs can store here. Okay, so let's see how. Okay, we will try it later. Okay, and the last thing is a quick guide and 2 more USB cable. One is C-type and one is normal type. Okay, so now I will show you the most important part of this video is our graphic tablets. So let's move it and I will show you my graphic tablet. The most important thing, as you can see, the graphic tablet has arrived. The skin is totally amazing. This is covered up with a film and we will just bought it. As you can see that it's looking totally amazing here. Please remove the protection before using. Okay, as you can see that this is our drawing tablet, and this will be used to create an amazing animation and many more etc things. As you can see that the arrows are here. This is the boundary of our pen tablet, and this is really lightweight and you can easily handle it. So I'm just wants to thanks to the XP Pen to create this type of tablet for creators like me that create animation, 2D and 3D animation for my YouTube videos and my 3D models, as you know that. So friends, I just wants to give you this pen tablet rating 5 star, and the uses of the pen tablet I will show you in my next video. So friends, I hope that you like this video and my unboxing of my new pen tablet. I hope you like this, and please subscribe my channel. I will show you the use of the pen tablet in my next video. Bye bye, see you later.